Welcome to Tank Brick Studio. In this video, I will show you how I combine the LEGO office set into the interior of my modular town hall. It took quite a bit of layout planning to utilize all the interior elements from the office set. Here's a preview of the completed second floor and top floor. Now, let's first take a look at the office set by itself. It has a spacious interior and includes 15 minifigures. I don't watch the TV show, so I'm not familiar with the characters. But I'm happy to have this many minifigures, most of which are unique to this set. The office interior is highly detailed, but it lacks exterior walls or structure, making it look somewhat unfinished. There are tons of details, from filing cabinets to a copier machine, along with tiny references from the show. It also comes with a manager's office, which can be slid out to check out the details. This will be perfect for conversion later into the mayor's office. Again, look at the amount of detail included here. The sticker details are also impressive, though I haven't applied them yet. I'll share more after the combination is done. Next to it is a training room, and these chairs will be very useful for the meeting room in the town hall. Here's a look at the open office area with work desks. Each desk is decorated with intricate details showcasing each character's story from the TV show. The copier machine is built to scale and looks quite realistic with the minifigures. Here are the filing cabinets, with stacks of files on top. Although these are made from simple parts, their colors realistically represent documents and folders. This is the front reception area. You can see cluttered details behind the desk, including what looks like a fax machine. There are also sofas in the lobby where visitors can sit and wait. The open office is quite spacious, which is uncommon for LEGO sets, making it feel unfinished. However, the two enclosed rooms feel very complete. Here's a direct size comparison between the office set and the town hall modular building. The town hall sits on a 32 by 32 base plate, while the office set has a plate-built base that's about 38 studs wide. In terms of depth, both are 32 studs deep, but the town hall's actual building structure is only 22 studs deep. The second floor of the town hall is perfect for integrating the main office. I will remove everything from the original town hall interior and replace the entire floor with the office set. The town hall's second floor is smaller, so I need to plan the layout carefully to fit everything from the open office area inside. To begin with, both buildings actually have a similar shape and layout, with the lift lobby entrance located at the back corner. This makes the transfer process easier, as I can start by moving everything over and adjusting as needed. The training room won't fit on this level, so I will combine it into the meeting room. As for the manager's office, I will integrate it into the top floor of the town hall. Let's open up the top floor to check the size and space needed to fit this office. Here's the top floor, and now let's bring over the office space to test the fit. I want the mayor's office positioned at the front window, in this corner. It looks like it should fit perfectly with some minor adjustments. Next to it will be the meeting room, and I'll place a waiting area with sofas here. I will also keep these dark gray sofas in this spot. As always, I constantly modify my modular buildings to improve their look and space efficiency. This is the latest version of my town hall, with slight modifications, reducing the top floor's height back to its original size and shifting the 1891 signage down to blend more naturally with the rest of the building. What we see here is the combined model, meaning I've integrated the office set's interior elements into the town hall. This way, I'm essentially displaying a set within a set, which saves space. Let's open it up and take a look inside. For the ground floor, I haven't made many changes to the interior yet. I plan to modernize it in the future to match the upper floors. For now, I've added two structural beam supports in the middle to provide better support for the upper floors. Now, let's bring in the second floor. Here's the front view. The exterior remains unchanged to preserve its iconic look. After combining the office set, this floor is packed with details. I have fitted every office element and placed all 15 minifigures from the office set. You can see the reception desk, 5 work desks, filing cabinets, and the copier machine. I constantly had to adjust and rearrange the layout to fit everything inside. The two structural beams in the middle align perfectly with the ones below. I also managed to create a common lift lobby with a door leading to the office. The reception desk sits by the entrance to greet visitors, with wall decorations including awards and notices, closely following the original set. On this side, I placed the copier and paper shredder machine, followed by a row of filing cabinets along the window. I imagine this as the city's administrative office, storing documents and paperwork for all its citizens. The 5 work desks are positioned in the center, leaving space along the back wall for the filing cabinets. Here are the 5 desks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see that I have now applied all the stickers to the elements. Each computer screen displays a different image, adding great detail. Here's another side view. It may look cluttered with so many minifigures inside, since there are only 5 desks. But let's imagine other government agencies visiting to gather data or process classified documents. Now, let's turn it around for a view from the other side. Here's a closer look at the many detailed stickers from the office set. In this corner, I managed to squeeze in the TV and discussion board. I also tiled the entire floor with light bluish-gray tiles to resemble carpet tiles. That's all for the second floor. Now, onto the top floor. In a previous video, I showed how I modified the clock tower, integrating it into the top floor instead of placing it on the roof. This improves both the building's appearance and reduces its height, allowing it to fit inside my display cabinet. Do check out that video for more details. This floor includes the meeting room and the mayor's office. It has a grand lift lobby with a spacious waiting area, complete with sofas, plants, and paintings to enhance the decor. I also added a no smoking sign here. The meeting or conference room sits up to 11 minifigures. The long table is from the original town hall set, which I liked, so I kept it. I also gave it double doors for a grand entrance to accommodate multiple minifigures at once. The room is narrow, so I prioritized seating capacity over additional details. Here's the mayor's office. The space is elongated, so I had to shuffle things around to fit everything. Since the top floor's height is lower than usual, I spread the wall decorations across two sides. Here are both small and large cabinets, with a structural beam in the middle. This large cabinet looks more like a wardrobe, so I placed the hat and coat stand beside it. By the way, this minifigure is Mayor McCaskill from one of the Lego Batman movie sets. Opposite the wardrobe, there is a shelf, a map, and two globes. The larger globe was retained from the original town hall set. The mayor's desk is positioned by the window for a great view. Finally, let's put on the roof. This ceiling window now sits directly above the conference room, providing natural daylight. Originally, it was supposed to have openings on each floor to allow daylight to reach the ground floor. That's all for this update on my modular town hall interior. I'll continue upgrading it, with the ground floor interior and minifigure placements coming next. Please subscribe for more updates. See you in the next video.